Yeah, two very good boys in here. What you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? You gonna have a good day? I think so. I think you'll have a good day. Yeah. Oh yes. Get some scratches. How about you? Get some scratches right there behind the ears. You know what? We need to get a haircut. We need to get a haircut. You're going to get a haircut, buddy. Aw. Yeah, it's getting too hot for all this fluffy hair. That's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. I love you. I love you. And I love you, buddy. Sweet boy. Don't you get jealous. Don't you get jealous. Go around. No. Koji. You're okay. No.